15 Amazing Health Benefits of Turmeric Milk. 1. Anti-inflammatory. Turmeric contains curcumin. Research has shown curcumin to be highly effective in reducing inflammation. The anti-inflammatory effect of curcumin is most likely mediated. This effect of turmeric makes turmeric milk highly beneficial in reducing pain, swelling, etc. 2. Powerful antioxidant. Curcumin present in turmeric milk is also a powerful antioxidant. It protects our body from damage caused by free radicals. It thus reduces the risk of cancer, diseases of the heart, etc. 3. Immunity booster. Turmeric also boosts immunity levels. Its antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties protect us from a variety of infections. Many doctors highly recommend taking a teaspoonful of turmeric in a glass of warm milk every day to keep the common cold and flu at bay. 4. Delays diabetes. Curcumin present in turmeric delays the onset of type 2 diabetes mellitus. It is a chronic condition that leads to high levels of blood sugar in your body as the cells do not respond to insulin as well as they should. Curcumin inhibits the formation of inflammatory cytokines. 5. Reduces the risk of heart diseases. The antioxidant property of curcumin found in turmeric may prevent heart diseases and diabetic cardiovascular complications. Curcumin also reduces serum cholesterol levels and protects against the pathological changes occurring with atherosclerosis. 6. Reduces risk of cancer. Curcumin present in turmeric interferes with the growth and development of cancer cells and prevents their spread at the minutest molecular level, metastasis. Thus, it effectively reduces the risk of new cancerous growth. 7. Helps in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is caused due to buildup of protein tangles called amyloid plaques. Curcumin in turmeric helps in clearing these plaques. 8. Helps patients with depression. Curcumin in turmeric boosts BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, levels in the brain, thus helping patients with depression. Curcumin also boosts the brain's neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine. 9. Anti-aging effects. The antioxidant properties of curcumin in turmeric prevents damage to cells and thus slow down aging. It effectively prevents the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. Curcumin also stimulates new cell growth. 10. Improves digestion. Curcumin in turmeric reduces bloating and brings the digestive system on track. It stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile. It also helps in preventing and treating pancreatitis. 11. Helps in the treatment of glaucoma and cataract. The antioxidant property of turmeric helps in treating glaucoma and cataract. Regular consumption of turmeric halts the progression of glaucoma and prevents vision loss too. 12. Good for our skin. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that can help to heal wounds, prevent acne and breakouts, fight eczema and psoriasis, reduce scars, lighten dark circles, give a natural glow. 13. Improves bone health. Curcumin in turmeric reduces pain and improves joint functioning in patients with rheumatoid arthritis. It also safeguards bone tissue and prevents bone loss. Our body gets calcium, phosphorus, potassium, proteins, vitamin K, vitamin D by drinking milk. All these nutrients keep our bones strong and healthy. Drinking milk lowers the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. 14. Loads of nutrients from milk. Milk is loaded with proteins and linoleic and omega-3 fatty acids which are beneficial for good health. Milk is rich in calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B2, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, potassium, phosphorus and selenium. It also contains vitamin A, zinc, magnesium and vitamin B1. All these nutrients make milk a complete and healthy drink. 15. Helps with sleep and anxiety. In modern times, almost everyone's sleep schedule seems to go for a toss at some point in people's lives. Inadequate rest and sleep at the end of the day may not seem that big of an ordeal, but in the long term, it has detrimental effects. Amongst other consequences, stress and anxiety perhaps top the list in this matter. However, do not despair just yet. All you need is a warm glass of turmeric milk before you go to bed. And you will sleep like a baby. Apart from tasting delicious, the amino acids in the beverage help you get a long and a well-rested bout of sleep. This makes sure that you wake up fresh and without the side of any blues. Are there any negative effects of turmeric milk? In large amounts, curcumin may cause stomach pain in some people. This may be accompanied by nausea and cramping. This kind of overdose is highly unlikely with regular turmeric powder or turmeric milk, as the amounts in both of those are safe enough for most people. Other than this, there aren't many serious reactions to worry about with turmeric milk. In case you are lactose intolerant, you should avoid store-bought or ready-made turmeric milk. It can set off a serious allergic reaction. People with known allergies should only consume self-made turmeric milk using allergy-safe ingredients. Now that the potential, and rare, side effects are out of the way, here's a quick recipe to follow in case you decide to make this drink yourself. How to make turmeric milk. Add around 1 teaspoon turmeric powder or 1 inch of fresh ginger in a glass of milk. Boil it for 10 to 12 minutes. Once you strain it, your turmeric milk is ready for drinking. Add honey or sugar for sweetening if required. You can also add clove, ginger, cinnamon, cardamom to it while boiling for additional health benefits. Always add a pinch of black pepper to turmeric milk for better absorption of turmeric by our body. In conclusion, we can see for ourselves how beneficial a simple and humble glass of turmeric milk can be for us. From helping us digest our favorite snacks to playing the role of a lullaby and helping us sleep, the golden milk is certainly a jack of all trades and master of them too.